understand food labels can help you make healthier choices. Here's the current and new nutrition label. The serving information tells the size of a single serving and the total number of servings per container or package. It's important to pay attention to the calories per serving and how many servings you're really eating. If you double the servings you eat, you double the calories and nutrients. We want to limit saturated fat, trans fat, sodium levels, and added sugars. Note, added sugars are now displayed on the new label. For a balanced diet, we need dietary fiber, protein, calcium, iron, vitamins, and other nutrients daily. Percent daily values tells us the percent of each nutrient in a single serving in terms of the daily recommended amount. As a guide, when we want to consume less of a nutrient, choose foods with a lower percent daily value of 5% or less. If we want to consume more of a nutrient, we can look for foods with a higher percent daily value, such as 20% or more. We may need to eat less or more than 2,000 calories depending on our age, gender, activity level, and whether we're trying to lose, gain, or maintain weight. Your healthcare provider can help you figure out how many calories you need.
Follow these healthy guidelines to update your eating style and improve your nutrition profile. Cut down on saturated and trans fats by choosing non-tropical vegetable oils like monosaturated and polyunsaturated oils. Buy lower sodium versions. If you can't find lower sodium or no salt added, rinse the contents in a colander underwater to wash away some of the salt. Choose canned fruits packed in juice rather than syrup. Use non-stick cooking spray instead of greasing bakeware with butter or shortening, and use it in skillets instead of butter for cooking. Make your own salad dressings by mixing healthier kitchen oils, such as olive oil, with vinegar and herbs. The general rule for a homemade dressing is 1/3 acid, vinegar or citrus juice, to 2/3 cup of oil. Look for whole grains and lower sodium when you buy things like bread, pasta, crackers, and snacks. Choose poultry and fish and limit red meat. Always look for leaner pieces and trim away skin and visible fat before cooking. Finally, here are a few examples of some simple swaps that you can try. Whole wheat flour for white flour. For every cup of white flour your recipe calls for, substitute 7/8 cup of whole wheat. Unsweetened applesauce for oil or butter. If your recipe calls for 1 cup of oil, substitute a 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce and a 1/2 cup of oil. Vanilla for sugar. Cutting sugar in half and adding a teaspoon of vanilla adds a lot of flavor with significantly fewer calories. Mashed bananas for butter or oil. 1 cup of mashed bananas in place of 1 cup of butter or oil.